From high above, the UK appears as a tapestry of green and blue, a patchwork of fields and forests, stitched together by glistening rivers and a rugged coastline. This island nation, steeped in history and brimming with natural beauty, is home to a diverse array of landscapes and cultures. Join us as we explore the 7 most enchanting states in the United Kingdom, each with its unique charm and history. From the bustling cities to the tranquil countryside, we'll uncover the hidden gems and iconic landmarks that make this nation so captivating. Our journey begins in England, the largest and most populous of the UK's states. This is a land where history whispers from every ancient stone, where the echoes of kings and queens linger in grand palaces and imposing castles. We stand in the shadow of the Tower of London, a fortress that has witnessed the intrigues and dramas of centuries past. Within these walls, kings were crowned, prisoners languished, and history unfolded. But England is not just a land of the past. London, its vibrant capital, pulsates with a modern energy, a global hub where tradition meets innovation. The Houses of Parliament, a symbol of democracy, stand tall, a testament to the enduring power of governance and the voice of the people. And who can forget the iconic red telephone boxes and double-decker buses, symbols of England recognized around the world? Beyond the city, rolling hills and verdant fields paint a picture of idyllic countryside life. We wander through charming villages, each with its own unique character and stories to tell. The scent of freshly baked scones wafts from quaint tea rooms, inviting us to experience the quintessential English tradition of afternoon tea. From the bustling metropolis to the peaceful countryside, England offers a tapestry of experiences. It's a land of contrasts, where ancient history blends seamlessly with modern life, where tradition and innovation walk hand in hand. We journey north to Scotland, a land of rugged beauty, where ancient myths and legends intertwine with breathtaking landscapes. Towering mountains pierce the sky, their slopes cloaked in emerald forests and mirrored in the depths of mysterious lochs. Here, the spirit of freedom reigns, echoing the tales of brave warriors and legendary creatures. We stand atop Edinburgh Castle, its imposing silhouette dominating the city skyline. From this vantage point, we can almost hear the skirl of bagpipes carried on the wind, a sound that stirs the soul and speaks of Scotland's proud heritage. The castle walls have witnessed centuries of history, from fierce battles to royal celebrations, and its presence serves as a constant reminder of Scotland's resilience and strength. Venturing beyond the city, we find ourselves amidst the untouched beauty of the Scottish Highlands. Here, time seems to stand still as we gaze upon vast, desolate glens carved by glaciers and shrouded in mist. The air is alive with the sound of rushing waterfalls and the bleating of sheep grazing on heather-clad hillsides. Scotland's cultural tapestry is as rich and varied as its landscapes. From the vibrant Edinburgh Fringe Festival, a celebration of art and creativity, to the ancient traditions of whiskey distilling, Scotland offers a sensory feast for the soul. Our journey takes us westward to Wales, a land where the ancient Celtic language still dances on the tongue and the spirit of myth and legend is woven into the very fabric of the land. Here, rolling green hills give way to dramatic coastlines, where towering cliffs stand sentinel over crashing waves. We explore the ruins of majestic castles, their weathered stones whispering tales of battles fought and won. Caernarfon Castle, with its imposing towers and grand halls, stands as a testament to the power and ambition of its medieval builders. We imagine the clash of swords and the thunder of hooves as knights once rode out from these very gates. But Wales is more than just castles and history. It's a land of breathtaking natural beauty, from the rugged peaks of Snowdonia National Park to the serene shores of the Gower Peninsula. We hike through verdant valleys, our senses invigorated by the scent of wildflowers and the sound of birdsong. The spirit of Wales is perhaps best captured in its music and poetry. The Welsh language, with its lyrical cadence, is a joy to hear, and the tradition of storytelling is deeply ingrained in the culture. We cross the Irish Sea to Northern Ireland, a land shaped by a complex history and blessed with a resilient spirit. Here, ancient myths and modern stories intertwine, creating a tapestry as intricate as the Celtic knots that adorn its ancient monuments. We stand before the Giant's Causeway, a natural wonder of hexagonal basalt columns formed by volcanic activity millions of years ago. Legend has it that these stepping stones were built by a giant, a testament to the power of nature and the enduring allure of folklore. The rugged coastline of Northern Ireland is a sight to behold, with dramatic cliffs, secluded beaches, and the ever-present sound of the sea. But Northern Ireland's beauty runs deeper than its landscapes. It's a land of warmth and hospitality, where the people have overcome adversity with grace and determination. We visit Belfast, a city reborn, its streets now bustling with life and its people eager to share their stories. The city's murals, vibrant and poignant, tell a story of conflict and reconciliation, a testament to the power of hope and the enduring human spirit. From the bustling cityscapes to the tranquil countryside, Northern Ireland offers a journey of discovery and reflection. It's a land where the past is never forgotten, but the future is embraced with open arms. Our journey takes us to the southwestern tip of England, to Cornwall, a land where rugged coastlines meet rolling hills and the wild Atlantic crashes against granite cliffs. Here the air is thick with the scent of salt and sea spray, and the cries of seabirds fill the air. We wander through quaint fishing villages, their harbors bobbing with colorful boats and their narrow streets lined with charming cottages. The pace of life here is slower, more relaxed, as if in tune with the ebb and flow of the tides. We sample freshly caught seafood, its flavor enhanced by the salty air, and the knowledge that it was hauled from the very waters we gaze upon. Cornwall's history is as rich and varied as its landscapes. We explore the ruins of Tintagel Castle, perched precariously on a cliff top, its legend forever linked to the tales of King Arthur. Was this the birthplace of the legendary king? The mystery endures, adding to the allure of this magical place. From surfing havens to hidden coves, Cornwall offers a taste of adventure and tranquility in equal measure. It's a land where you can lose yourself in the rugged beauty of the coast or find solace in the peace and quiet of its rolling hills. We set sail for the Isle of Man, a self-governing island nestled in the Irish Sea. This ancient land, steeped in Celtic and Viking history, boasts a unique culture and a landscape that ranges from rugged mountains to sweeping sandy beaches. The Isle of Man is perhaps best known for the TT motorcycle races, a thrilling spectacle of speed and skill that attracts adrenaline junkies from around the world. We feel the rush of excitement as we watch these daredevils navigate the island's winding roads at breakneck speeds. But the Isle of Man is more than just a motorsport mecca. It's a land of ancient traditions and folklore where the spirit of the island's Celtic and Viking heritage is still very much alive. We explore ancient burial mounds, their silent stones whispering tales of a time long past. From its historic castles to its charming villages, the Isle of Man offers a glimpse into a world apart. It's a place where you can escape the hustle and bustle of modern life and reconnect with the simple pleasures of nature, history, and tradition. Our final destination takes us to Jersey, the largest of the Channel Islands. This island paradise, located just off the coast of France, boasts a unique blend of British and French influences, evident in its culture, cuisine, and architecture. We stroll along Jersey's stunning beaches, their golden sands lapped by the crystal-clear waters of the English Channel. The air is filled with the scent of salt and seaweed, and the sound of children's laughter mingles with the cries of gulls overhead. Jersey's history is as rich and varied as its landscapes. We explore the imposing Montorgueil Castle, its medieval towers offering breathtaking views of the island and the French coast beyond. We imagine the lives of the soldiers who once guarded these walls, their days spent watching for invaders and their nights filled with tales of battles and bravery. From its charming towns and villages to its stunning coastline, Jersey offers a taste of paradise. It's a place where you can relax on pristine beaches, explore historic sites, and indulge in delicious cuisine, all while enjoying the unique blend of British and French cultures that make this island so special. As our journey comes to an end, we're left with a profound appreciation for the diversity and beauty of the United Kingdom. From the rugged peaks of Scotland to the sun-kissed beaches of Jersey, each state has left an indelible mark on our hearts. Thank you for joining us on this delightful journey across the United Kingdom's most popular states. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with friends who love to explore new places. We hope this adventure has inspired you to experience the magic of the UK for yourself. Until next time, happy travels.